going in the video.
No.
Yep, here you go.
Please don't.
Welcome back to Garage Shenanigans on that wonderful note. Today's a special episode for the Echo. It's the first episode of the modifications. And I bought expensive parts for once. Spacers. 1-inch spacers. I think $70 for all 4 of them. The reason being is because the wheels we put on when we stretch the tires rub just a little bit on the inside. As a matter of fact, I might as well just show you so you can hear the horrible noise as it drives. We're just going to back it up slowly so you can hear it. Only a full lock. This one doesn't want to do it. Push it. You gotta go forward. No. This is a terrible example.
Well, he's trying, ladies and gentlemen. That's fine.
See, he's not doing it now. What the fuck? Well, I already bought it, so what's going on? Just imagine the noise being horrible.
Like Satan.
I'm just gonna get it right.
This is it. Okay.
Okay. That was useless. Basically, we're going to take off the wheels, straight with the car, put the spacers on. We're going to show you how it looks. It's really simple. I'm going to show you how to do one, then we'll do the rest off camera, and then before and after pics. Yes. Okay. Come look at the car before. You got tires. I guess it should be straighter. Now it's locked.
As Isaiah struggles.
Okay. Fully straight. That's how it sits. And that's how the back is. Right, you got a visual representation. I'm going to show down here. Maybe there'll be a difference in the next couple scenes. Yes, more.
No, stop.
Okay, this is how you install it. Great, you're done. Now, it comes with lug nuts. The ones it comes with is the ones that needs to be bolted to here. And then you want to use the OEM lug nuts on the new studs. That's what it said online. It gave me a torque rating, but I can't remember. So, I'm just going to ignore it for right now.
Just going to ignore it for now.
Just slide a little bit. Try to get it straight as possible. These lug nuts should center it, but do your best after to keep it straight. Nice shot!
You're ruining the video! Go ahead, my love.
Oh, it's so big. I don't know if it's gonna fit in there. It's not. That's unfortunate. Maybe there's something else.
Hey guys, it's Tony in a suit. That's the thing you now have on YouTube, Isaiah.
Great.
You got his fugly girlfriends. You got his terrible hair. Oh, I regret nothing. Isaiah.
Yep. Yes.
I'm just watching you.
Okay.
Angrily.
Suit makes your head look fat.
But thank you.
That's annoying.
The wonderful Isaiah noises. So, Tony, why'd you kill that guy?
Don't worry about it. I have my reasons.
Alright. Next on Garage Shenanigans,
So what
Tony goes back to jail.
So whether it was 1 or 2 or 5.
What?
Don't worry about it.
What did you say?
Okay, he was a 19, and for some reason this was too big, so I got one of my impact sockets without using the impact gun to put it on there, because I read somewhere not to use the impact gun. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now it's gonna ring. Excellent. So then you just put the wheel on, and it should be silly looking.
Should be silly looking.
It should be silly looking.
It's silly looking. Oh, no it's not, because the old ones go on.
Yeah. They should go on. They look kind of long. No, they're good. Good.
Wonderful. Hey Isaiah.
Hey.
Look at me. I love you.
Love you too.
Okay. What?
Yeah.
Yeah. There is a bug crawling towards you.
That's okay. There's rain falling from the sky.
Hmm.
I think we'll have to continue this video once it's not raining.
Okay.
But keep going. For now. Because we got one on. Dang it. Yeah. Look at it. It's so much out in comparison to before. Go look at the other wheel on the front. Let me see the camera. Just for a quick comparison, the side view. Wheel coming out over here is not. That's the 1 inch spacer. 2 inch spacers would be, I guess, out to here.
Ridiculous.
You think we should have got the 2 inch?
No. No.
Okay. Like I said, it's starting to rain, so I'm going to do the rest on my own time if it stops here in a minute. Then when we get more light, I'll show it what it looks like with all of them. Because right now, having one wheel poke out and the other one not, it looks ridiculous. Okay, so the next scene will be sunny. It's gonna be for like days for us, 2 seconds for you guys. Great. Alright, it's like 2 days later. I got all the wheel spacers on. It's not a huge difference looking at it visually from like the side. It does poke out more so on the front than it does the back, which I'm fine with that. Courtney's fine with that. This is just going to be the end of this video. It doesn't rub anymore while turning. It does rub, however, from body roll while turning. So if the wheels, well, it's always out, but the fender kind of hits up against the wheel. So I think the next modification we're going to do is to roll the fenders out a little bit. That should help eliminate most of that, and then possibly add some camber if I can get Courtney to agree to adding some camber. So there'll probably be some camber bolts and shims just like on the Versa. Yeah, that's the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe. You guys know the drill. There's gonna be more videos on this. Trying to get a video on the 240 and Versa, mostly on the Versa and the Echo though. 240 is kind of gonna be sitting there until registration and whatnot. That kid's crying. We're gonna end the video here. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.